How biofeedback therapy boosts stress relief and personal wellness. Discover how biofeedback therapy helps you manage stress, improve mental clarity, and enhance your wellness through mind-body awareness and control. How biofeedback therapy can change the way you manage stress and wellness. Hey, have you ever heard of biofeedback therapy? It's one of those fascinating approaches to health and wellness that feels a little like becoming your own personal scientist. Seriously, it's a method where you get to actually monitor and change the way your body reacts to stress and tension, kind of like hacking your nervous system in real time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or stuck in a cycle of mental fog and tension, biofeedback therapy might just be the tool you never knew you needed. So, what exactly is biofeedback therapy? At its core, it's a technique that uses sensors attached to your body to provide immediate information about your physiological functions, like your heart rate, muscle tension, breathing patterns, or skin temperature. These sensors send data to a computer or device, and you get to see how your body behaves at any given moment, and more importantly, how you can control some of those responses through focused effort. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's science, and it's genuinely quite empowering. The main idea is that many of our stressful reactions, such as feeling anxious or experiencing headaches, come from our unconscious bodily responses. With biofeedback, you learn to recognize these signs early and apply mental and physical techniques, like deep breathing or mindfulness, to change those responses in real time. For instance, if your heart races when you're overwhelmed, you can use biofeedback to practice calming strategies and actually slow that heart rate down. Over time, this builds greater resilience and helps reduce the overall impact of stress on your life. What I love most is how this therapy supports personal transformation, not with some quick fix, but by giving you tools to literally rewire your relationship with your body and mind. Imagine having a reset button that's always within reach. Whether your goal is better mental health, enhanced mindfulness, or just living a more balanced and healthy lifestyle, biofeedback can be a key player on your wellness journey. The science behind it. From a science perspective, biofeedback is grounded in the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt over time. Your nervous system is designed to respond rapidly to both external and internal stimuli. But when stress becomes a constant, your body stays stuck in fight or flight mode, making it hard to focus, relax, or even sleep. By using real-time feedback, your brain effectively learns to recognize and reverse these stress signals. Studies have shown biofeedback can help with conditions like anxiety, chronic pain, migraines, and even high blood pressure. Practitioners use it not as a standalone fix, but as part of a more holistic approach to self-care and holistic health. Think of biofeedback as mental training. Just like athletes use feedback from coaches and technology to improve performance, you train your mind and body to respond in healthier ways. The result? Greater calm, sharper focus, and a feeling of being more in control of your day-to-day experience. What to expect in a biofeedback therapy session? If you decide to try it out, a typical session usually lasts between 30 to 60 minutes. Here's a little rundown. Assessment. The therapist will attach a few sensors to your skin, usually on your fingers, scalp, or chest, to monitor things like heart rate, muscle tension, and skin temperature. Baseline measurement. You'll start by sitting quietly to get a baseline reading of your body's natural stress levels. Guided training. This is the fun part. The therapist will guide you through various exercises, such as breathing techniques or visualization, while you watch the changes on a screen or hear feedback through headphones. Practice and reflection. You'll discuss with the therapist what worked best for you, and you'll get practical homework or tools to keep practicing on your own. Most people notice improvements quickly, but it's the consistent practice between sessions that brings lasting results. The best part? You're learning a skill that stays with you forever. How to incorporate biofeedback into your wellness routine. Even if you don't have access to a professional therapist right away, there are ways to start experiencing some benefits yourself. Many apps and wearable devices offer basic biofeedback options, like heart rate variability, HRV tracking, which can help you practice controlled breathing and relaxation. Here are some simple tips for integrating biofeedback-like techniques into your daily routine. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes daily for mindful breathing exercises while watching your heart rate or using a HRV app. Practice progressive muscle relaxation, tensing and releasing different muscle groups while paying attention to how it changes your body's tension. Use guided meditation or visualization tools that focus on regulating your physical sensations and calming your nervous system. Keep track of your progress in a journal to notice patterns and identify what techniques work best for reducing your stress. Pairing biofeedback tools with other wellness practices like nutrition, sleep hygiene, and movement amplifies its effects and supports a well-rounded self-help approach. Final thoughts. Biofeedback therapy is truly a remarkable method that bridges the gap between mind and body, offering an accessible pathway to better stress management and holistic health. If you're someone who values self-care and is committed to personal transformation, embracing biofeedback can be a game changer. It empowers you to understand your body's language and respond with intention rather than reaction. For those intrigued by biofeedback or simply interested in boosting their overall well-being, there's a wealth of resources available. If you want to explore more tools and books focused on health and wellness, check out this collection of insightful reads. It's a great place to start nourishing your mind, body, and spirit with expert-backed knowledge. Give biofeedback a try and see how it might fit into your journey toward success in living a calm, clear, and energized life. After all, when your nervous system is balanced, everything else tends to fall into place.